Design master room wardrobe closet on a budget. Not mean compromising on style or functionality. With careful planning, smart choices, you can create a chic and organized closet without breaking the bank. We'll share practical tips and creative ideas to help you design a budget-friendly yet stylish wardrobe closet that meets all storage needs. Start by setting a realistic budget for your project. Determine the maximum amount willing to spend. Prioritize design choices and avoid overspending. Wardrobe closets parts are a cost-effective option that can fit into your budget seamlessly, making it easier to find one that complements your master room's style. If you have basic carpentry skills and enjoy DIY projects, consider customizing a ready-made wardrobe to suit your specific needs. Add extra shelves, dividers, or hooks to maximize storage functionality without the added cost of a fully custom closet. Take advantage of existing furniture pieces in your master room to save on costs. Repurpose a bookshelf, dresser, or cabinet as part of your wardrobe storage. With some minor modifications, these pieces can become stylish and functional components of your closet. Explore thrift stores or online marketplaces for second-hand wardrobe closets or individual components. You can find high-quality pieces at a fraction of the cost of new ones. Casa Custom offers a selection of budget-friendly master room wardrobe closet solutions. Explore our collection today and discover affordable storage solutions for your master room. Follow us and get more details.